Hey guys, let's talk about Shakespeare's most dramatic end, the final moments of Othello. Othello thinks Desdemona cheated. Does he ask her? No, he jumps straight to murder mode. She wakes up to being smothered and still defends Othello. Ladies, let's talk about boundaries. Emilia snaps. She realizes Iago has been manipulating everyone and calls him out. And how does Iago respond? Steps her toxic husband of the century. Iago, Shakespeare's biggest red flag, the villain of the villains. Othello demands, why did you do this? Iago just smarts, figure it out. Lodovico declares Iago's punishment, you will wish you were dead. Means Iago is getting a lifetime of suffering. Cassio somehow gets promoted while everyone else is either dead or ruined. Let's talk about failing forwards. Rodrigo played like a fiddle. Iago, trust me, bro. Rodrigo, okay. Next scene, stepped by Iago. Moral of the story, never trust a guy called Honest Iago. Jealousy plus no communication, disaster. If someone seems too innocent, double check. What do you think is the most tragic moment in Othello? Drop your thoughts below.